Hello and welcome back to Voice of Margins News Bulletin. I am Malika bringing to you top news of the day. In a virtual meeting held on June 22, 2020, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation passes a resolution calling on the United Nations Secretary General to use his good office to make India abide by the United Nations Security Council resolution and engage in the dialogue to calm the situation in the region. In a post uploaded on their official website, they have called on India to halt security operations against the people of Jammu and Kashmir immediately. This isn't for the first time that OIC has spoken out regarding the issues of Jammu and Kashmir. Another news is on feminine hygiene. When a father stands with his child throughout his life under all the circumstances, then why doesn't he stand with his daughter during her adolescence age? Why it is that the father of a girl is not concerned about the biological changes which a girl goes through during her adolescent stage? Lack of compassion is from the father's side for his daughter during such crucial stage of her life. Fathers are seen neglecting and shying away from talking to their daughters on a very natural phenomena which she goes through in the form of her periods, which brings several hormonal changes. It has become a norm that only mothers will talk about periods with their daughters. Even though parents consider themselves as modern and progressive, there lies a taboo within them. Fathers should come up and make a move and should initiate in knowing the issues deep and also the consequences attached to it, like mental well-being of the girl, the flow, the cramps, and should also have the knowledge of the diseases like PCOD and PCOS attached with it. Both the parents should come up openly and talk about sexual reproductive health with their children. This is for the first time that the cost of diesel has surpassed the cost of petrol in the capital. Wednesday marked 18th day in a row when the fuel prices were hiked. Since June 7, oil companies have been raising the cost prices of petrol and diesel on a daily basis. As of June 24th, the price of petrol stands at 79.76 per litre, while the diesel stands at 79.88 per litre in Delhi. Seeing the continuous increase in the fuel prices, MP senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh said, "People are already facing difficulties due to coronavirus. The centre has increased the excise duty on the 18th consecutive day. Recently, Prime Minister has urged the nation to turn the crisis into an opportunity. It seems he saw an opportunity to earn and increase the prices of petrol and diesel."